Hello, this is Tanya with TK Sewing Machine and Repair, and today I have a Necchi Mira BU. I've had this machine for a while, and I have been ordering little parts for it so it'll work optimally. Um, so it has the Wonder Wheel, and I have two or three more discs for the Wonder Wheel. I got to dig them out. And I also have the little bars for the Wonder Wheel. They hook up here and onto these levers. I do not have the cover that keeps this uh, lever stationary, um, but I'm sure it can be found. So this machine, it's got a little bit of paint loss here on the edge. This machine was probably used a lot. Here's the back of her. But she is still really pretty, and she's so well, and she sounds so good. A lot of machines don't sound as good as this one. I wired a pedal to the machine. So here we go. We're going to do, let's see, I have it set for a zigzag. Just makes perfect stitches. The tension was so easy to dial in. And let's go to a straight stitch. I should have brought the needle up. And so here we go with our straight stitch. Makes nice sharp corners. And reverse works. And I tested all three needle positions. The thread picks up in all three. Just does such a lovely job. Pretty stitches. Let's try it like that. Yeah, so the spool needs to come from around the back, the thread from around the back of it. But it sounds really good. Oops, I broke the thread. So, I hope you love this machine. Here's where are these? There's the top stitches. And there's the bottom stitches. Sews really well. So, if she ends up in your home, I hope you thoroughly enjoy her.